followers a month. I'm still going out.
Every single one of those clips was created using AI, from celebrity edits to movie remakes and even short skits, all generated in seconds. People are actually making money from this. They weren't made by $1 million studio, and they were made using AI face swap right from my laptop. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Higgsfield AI face swap to make money. Welcome back. I'm Rookie, your AI content coach, helping you turn creativity into a side hustle that actually pays. I've tested almost every AI face swap tool out there, but Higgsfield. This one is next level. It's fast, it's clean, and it gives you results that look like Netflix level production. In this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step, how to package your results into services people pay for, and the fastest way to make your first sale using AI content. First, let's talk about why this is even a side hustle. Right now, businesses, content creators, and music video editors are paying people to swap faces in skits, ads, and promos. Influencers want to see themselves in movie scenes. Artists want to turn their photos into trailers, and people online pay for it anywhere from $30 to $300 per clip, depending on quality. This is your window. The earlier you start, the faster you stand out. Instead of scrolling, you could literally build a mini studio from your phone and start selling creative edits using this AI. Now let's get practical. Here's the exact process I use with Higgsfield. Go to Higgsfield AI and create your free account. Then scroll to the left to find the face swap feature looking like this one right here. Click on it to see the 3 steps you'll follow right here. First step is to start by uploading the video file you want to edit. This is the main clip where the face will be replaced. Second step is to ADD the new face. Do that by choose the new face you want to swap into the video. A clear image is key for the best results. ADD the new face. Choose the new face you want to swap into the video. A clear image is key for the best results. Third step is to create your video. Click the Generate button and swap the character in the video. Upload the source video. This can be a movie scene, a trending reel, or even your own short video. Upload the target face. That's the person you want to swap in. Could be a client, celebrity, or even yourself. Click Generate, and in less than a minute, boom, your new face is on the video. What makes it powerful is that it keeps expressions and lighting consistent. It doesn't just paste the face, it blends it like it was shot that way. And that's what clients pay for. Clean, believable, and viral-looking results. Just going to repeat the same process 2 to 3 times to show consistency. So now you've created your first face swap, but how do you make money from it? Sell custom face swap videos. Go on Fiverr, Upwork, or Instagram. Offer AI face swap reels or movie-style edits. People are already buying them daily. Create viral content for clients. Think TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Imagine a client paying you to turn them into their favorite celebrity for their skit. That's attention gold. Start a mini YouTube or TikTok channel, post creative face swaps. Like if Burna Boy starred in Black Panther, use that to grow your following, then monetize with brand deals. You don't need a full studio. All you need is a good imagination and Higgsfield. Now here's where most people mess up presentation. You can have the best face swap, but if your visuals look messy or unplanned, people scroll. Use clear, well-lit backgrounds, add short captions and background music, always show before and after shots that instantly hooks viewers. Remember, visuals are your filter. People buy what looks valuable, not what you say is valuable. Your editing style, thumbnail, and caption all matter. Here's the part nobody talks about. If you want this to be a real side hustle, you need a system. Plan your content and your offers. You don't have to shoot every day, just batch. Pick 1 or 2 days a week, create 10 to 15 swaps, and schedule them. If you want me to coach you step by step on building your own AI content business, click the link in the description. I'll show you how to turn tools like this into real digital income